Hello everybody, let's work on the door panels today and change those exterior door handles out. Start by dismantling everything. Got a handy tub to put everything in. Try to stay out of the way. There it goes. And we're off. I think I found my rattle. It's the track for the window. So I get that tightened up. Should be good to go. Now it's time to have some fun. I've got to get this door handle off. I've already done this one. It was not the most fun I've ever had. Let's go look at it. New old stock GM. Actually works pretty good. Painted the screw black. Went ahead and undid the inside handle where it had less tension on it. And I just fought the little clips and everything like that. Finally got it though. Now to the point where things begin to get pretty sketchy. Depress the handle and the whole rig should come out. Should. The other side did. This one's going to be a little bit of a problem because of these bolts, these studs. I don't know why this one side is installed like this. Before I go any further, I'm going to get this cloth tape on this handle so I don't scratch my paint up. That's actually binder tape for books. That's just what I happen to have now. It's just oh, this was about to come apart. Yep, that's what the problem is. There's a pin in there that's just about to come out. So I'm going to have to try to sneak in there with the punch and get that knocked out. Glad I decided to change these out. Put some of that same tape on my punch and sneak it on in there. So I knocked that pin out, and that roll pin fell somewhere down in the door panel or inside the door, but that's okay. I'm going to be reusing some of this because that's too big of a pain to try to get that off. So this one here is playing a little nicer. So this one might be a little bit easier to deal with. Let's get the new old stock rig. Alright, so I want to take this roll pin and pound it back that way so it'll be easier to pound back in. Gone. So what I'm going to do is set it back where it'll be ready to go in. From this way, a little too far. Just want it where the latch and everything will go in. That should be just about right. About like that, where the spring will stay in there. And then I'm going to be reusing the piece that's already in there. It's a lot easier just to do it that way. This is the part where things are not too much fun. Need about 35 hands to do this. We'll get it. Okay, so I got that out with a pair of vice grips. See if I can start driving that home. Just about got it. Put a piece of this tape right here. And I'm pounding that home. And it's just that difficult. That is the weirdest fitting handle compared to the other side. It is possible to do this with the window rolled up, as you can see. And on my application, these are 7/16 bolts. Alright, that job is finally done. It's a little dark right now to be able to tell what's going on here, but everything's all put back together. All the plastic is refinished, and it's all the correct color blue now. We'll take another look at it in the daytime, but this has been replacing the exterior door handles on the 1981 Silverado. Thank you for watching.